Welcome to a life of pain. The footage you just watched, it would have been a lot cooler. What happened was I thought I could be a cool, fancy YouTuber with a GoPro and lawn mowing.
Broken.
It's broken. I ran my GoPro that Anna got me for Christmas over with the lawnmower.
Yes.
Yes. It was loud and violent. And now I'm out of a GoPro, so I'm pretty upset about it. Right, Landon?
Yeah.
So, anyway, we're going to push on with our day. We got a lot of stuff we're going to do today, and we're going to take you guys along with us. So, rest in peace, GoPro. Don't know if she'll ever get me another one, but I enjoyed it while I had it. So, boo. But, all right, let's get our day started. All right, it's done. Looks good, right? All right, I'm still kind of butt sore about my GoPro. And then I was thinking, well, maybe I got some cool footage. I looked everywhere for the SD card obliterated to. I have no idea where it's at. So it was a total waste. I basically just brought my GoPro out here, ran it over, and that was it. I don't even get footage from it. So still upset about that, but. So there's kind of a flaw in my design with the chicken coop. So if you may have noticed, remembered in the past, I built this tray right here. It doesn't slide very well. It's full of poop, and I'm gonna kind of show you guys. It's a lot of poop. Not that big of a deal, but well, I'll show you guys in just a second. Not all the poop goes through the grate, so it sits on there and then it just kind of piles on top of that. Well, summer's coming and this is Texas, and it's probably not going to be the most pleasant to smell, so I might have to come up with something a little bit better design as a waste management system for the chickens, but that'll be another episode. Today I just got to clean this out, and then I think we'll go about our day.
Oh, it did.
He said, I think he said.
What did you say, Landon?
Huh?
What did you say?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God.
Mm-hmm, that's what I thought you said. I don't know if you guys remember my little flap, but check it out. See how the poop collects on the little cross beams there? I knew it would when I built this. I didn't know it was that bad. There's a couple little design issues, but it's my first time and I'm not really that good of a chicken farmer yet. Oh, hello. Alright, so another design flaw. I didn't know chickens behave this way. So my nesting box is here, right? Well, what I thought that they would just lay eggs, they don't. They lay their poop there too. So the chickens like to perch what I thought would be like, you can see my made little, what I thought they would perch on those. They don't like perching on things that are flat. They like things that are narrow, like this lip right here. So at night, they'll perch right there and just poop in my nice nesting boxes. So I'm gonna have to create some more other system, right?
Yeah.
Some more perches. I think like dowel rods. I think if I put like dowel rods going across there, it'll keep them out of the nesting boxes.
Gotcha. Let me sit right. Okay, thank you.
Nice job, bud.
All right, we're done.
Okay, can you close it back up?
I can.
Come on, push. Push.
Push, push, push. Lunchtime?
Look.
All right, we're, I don't know, 5 minutes into the feeding process, and She's wearing it more than she's eating it. Yeah, so Landon is being landed right now. Let's go take a look. That'll be a mess. Hey, we're back. Notice anything different? Notice anything different? Landon? What happened, Landon? You get your haircut? We go on vacation next week, and we got to look fresh when we do. We're going to go to Alabama, take a road trip. So we needed
a haircut.
Fresh do-ups. Is that what they're called?
Mm-hmm.
Edge-ups.
Edge-ups.
We got edge-ups. Landon, you want to go to the park and fish?
Yeah.
All right, how big is the fish you're going to catch?
I'm going bigger fish.
I've never caught anything in this pond. So
Ever. Not just the pond. Ever.
So Landon's being very optimistic. I don't foresee us catching anything. Our neighbor says you can catch stuffed fish in this pond. I've never seen it. You know, maybe some little pinfish, I guess, little crappie or something. But supposedly there's bass and channel cat in there. So if it's in there, let's just say if it's in there, we're gonna catch it or not. We're gonna try. It's gonna be fun. Which one do you want to use? You want to use this one?
Yeah, thank you. Hey, Daddy, there's a worm.
Yep. All right, we've been fishing for solidly 5 minutes now. No luck, but that's okay. That's why it's called fishing and not catching. Right, Landon?
Yeah, right.
You want to go play on the slides, bud?
Oh, yeah.
All right, just drop. Nice. You ready? 2, 3, go. You think you can make it all the way to the top, Landon? All the way to the top? I don't know. Looks like he's gonna make it. Nice job. All right, let's head back. We're gonna go wash the car.
I don't want it.
We got to make it nice and clean for vacation.
Let's go get wet.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. You ready to wash up, Landon? Wash the car? I don't know, but check, make sure the nozzle's pointing in the right direction. Check it out, it's clean, it's beautiful, it's a Flex. Funny story with the Flex. A couple years ago we were at the auto show and they had one and I said, Anna, check it out, look at it, it's a Flex, it's cool. She goes, oh no, I'm not feeling that. It's a goofy car. It's a goofy looking car, right? I mean, it's funny looking.
I like it now.
Yeah, it grows on you, but cool thing with this Flex, it's a limited, so it's fully loaded. One thing I want to show you, it's pretty cool. Okay, it's cool on paper. It's not that cool in real life. This is a refrigerator slash freezer. Check it out. You can freeze you can freeze or cool stuff on there. Now it sounds cool, like I said, on paper. It's not that cool because we got car seat 1. We had car seat 2 over there, but because we wanted to add more people, we had to move Landon's car seat back. So when you have 2 car seats on these front 2 seats, you don't have a way for anybody to get back there. So normally these seats pull up, passengers can get in the back and easy access to the back. With 2 car seats, ain't happening. It's really kind of frustrating. So the back seats are really kind of useless for if you want to take more than 2 people in the back. So, but overall, we love it. It's a flex. It drives awesome. Not very good on gas mileage. About a truck, 17, 20 miles a gallon. But we're gonna take it to Alabama next week, our first real road trip in it, and we look forward to taking it. We look forward to taking you guys with us in the flex to Alabama. That's probably gonna do it for tonight. We're gonna have a friend over, eat some dinner. We love you. Thanks for watching A Life of Pain.
Nobody wants to watch you play video games.
All right, lay down. We'll go to bed.